This right here is Matandos, aka Damn Girl Damn. She's a new TikTok sensation in South Africa. She's an emerging piano artist or house music musician. And she's been taking the internet by storm for the past 2 weeks. So let's get to her story real quick. It's gonna be fun.
Fucking star. Azigizigizi yebo nangu yasima usima ngomlomo nangu yaminza uminza ngomzimba but damn girl damn mntwana yam uyistar ubakutshela bathi mntwana yami ithatha ki you such a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Mntwana yami yo mntwana yami
People really love and adore Matandos, even though most of them complain about her alcohol consumption, because a lot of people say she's always drunk and